Have you ever noticed a strange-looking C icon right above the Help button in Canvas? That C stands for Canvas Commons, a tool for finding and sharing learning objects directly to and from your Canvas courses. If you're listed as a teacher for courses in Canvas, you have access to Commons. A learning object is everything you can put into Canvas, from an entire course down to a single page or document, and everything in between. Whole modules, assignments and quizzes, discussion prompts, and multimedia can all be shared via Commons. There are several ways sharing can be done using Commons. You can share publicly with all teachers around the world who use Canvas, restrict your sharing to just Pitt, or create a custom group so that sharing can be restricted to a specific group of people, such as a single department or program. When you decide you want to use something you found in Commons, adding it to one or more of your courses is as easy as clicking a button. Likewise, sharing material straight from your course is just as simple. If you want to know more about how Commons can make collaborating on and sharing instructional material easier, Teaching Center technologists are happy to consult with you.